Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to show or hide caller ID on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on supplementary services. After click on supplementary services, so you will see first option is show your caller ID. If you want to show or hide caller ID, if you want to hide caller ID, click on never. After click on never, you will see caller ID is hide. If you want to show caller ID, so click on always. After click on always, caller ID is show. So you will show or hide caller ID from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide caller ID on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.